Question is, write a program using pointer to read an array of n elements and print all the elements of array. First, we are going to declare the variable which is int I and an ARR of 100 which is array and asterisk p100. Printf to print the information. Enter number of elements. Scanf %d to take input from user. &n. We use loop to take input of all elements. Printf. Enter %d elements I. Scanf %d ampersand ARR of I. Now we are going to use assignment operator. Take value of ARR of I to in asterisk p I. To print the all elements, we are going to write the for loop I is equal 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. To print the data, printf, the %d element is %d. First %d stand for I and second %d is stand for asterisk pointer I. Let's see the output.